Good afternoon from sunny Netherlands, and it's a beautiful day to start up this beautiful black Honda, also known as the Black Bomber 450 from 1967. In motorcycle history, a very interesting bike when it came on the market. Pretty fast. Light bike, 4 gears instead of 5. And beautiful sound. And we are selling this bike for the current owner, who asked us for help because he didn't want to do it himself. And a Black Bomber like this, maybe you can hear the sound, how it sounds. Really cool sound. Bike has 20,285 kilometers. Not kilometers, miles. And I think the current owner made 3,000–4,000 kilometers only on the bike. And it's perfect condition. Paintwork, chrome work. It's almost like new. Drum brake. On the pictures you can see the bike in every detail. So if you are looking for a Black Bomber 1967, well, this could be an interesting bike for you. Price is €11,995. We can ship worldwide. Dutch papers, we take care of export, insurance, etc. No problem. Just call us. Visit us in the Netherlands, in the south, or schedule a video call. If you like the video, subscribe on my YouTube channel. And thank you again, Johan.
Bye.
Bye bye.